Welcome back, friends. My name is Brian and I am back in the garage again today doing something just a little bit different. So some of you guys may have followed some of the work that I did on my 1978 Honda CT70 restoration. In that build, I really didn't produce that many videos, frankly, because a lot of the stuff that I did on that bike was similar to the work that I did on my CRF70 project that you guys, if you watch the channel, may have seen some time ago. But some of my CT70 friends, I'm in a lot of those CT70 groups, have asked me to do more videos on this, and I did actually have sort of like a compilation of video clips that I took along the way, and I ended up turning it into something unique, sort of like a time lapse or a little compilation video of the work that I did on the bike. So something a little bit different from me, and I'm hoping that you guys are going to like it. I had a lot of fun putting it together, so I enjoyed it, and I really hope that you do too. Thanks a lot. All right, so did you like it? I don't know, a little different than what I normally do. It's not a how-to video, which is kind of my standard thing in this channel, but I had a lot of fun putting that one together. It was hard to get all those little beats and everything lined up for the little clip changes and so forth. It took a lot of time to organize all that stuff and to actually go through those clip by clip. But anyway, so if you enjoyed this build that I did on the CT70, I did produce some videos on it, and I think if you look over this way, you'll see a link to those over my shoulder here. And anyway, if you're interested in watching some of those videos, please do. So, all right, so enough of me. It's time for you to get out there and have fun in your garage.